Kasan Yenia Bripa was in Kofoni Wu Panso through the recklessness of some recalcitrant drivers. This time, Yen Tiasi, who have now do traffic lights. Next all red, Jina. And so,
a policy for any.
The agri sector has seen an improvement. The figures and the facts are there to show. 2016, the agri ministry, agri was growing at negative. Now, one thing I say, any baby to say Rikupokuno, your mom chance. We are making Bona radio station be a friend. No, but the Nakotana so now, oh, chat road the Ghana for. Na Ghana need to no what time no no on conquer research on shepos oh I call your can because obia or no na pencil ye crab bro dear free Ivory Coast ye crab bro the common things are ya to me do know a common thing ya ma ye credit in aba and they on no be say Ghana for a import banche and also ye be expose no and also no ye be expose no and then no it is just for that. Say it's about time. Say we let the ordinary Ghanaian now or Nama Bontia own him how things are done. No, to really know. Say there be some party for we no woman ye be no woman ya me chile say enye Ghana because so to me no be catch us on the Ghana so benya sika 1 million we jai politics and this me. Don't you so to me no be on we catch us say no contribution no talk. Na still a Ghana ni sorry ahomache the work or salai. Na wakoto abadi yisa abai say president bi say Mr. Mahama na say for one power. It tells you we have a long way to go. Now some of us who have traveled and seen the gains Ghana has made, we won't sit and watch Ghana reverse like they reversed us in 2008. When President Kufuor has set everything standard. All these people had to come and do was manage the progress President Kufuor has done. That is all they were supposed to do. Just that alone, these people couldn't do. Within 1 year, but could you be president within 1 year? I want the easy way out. Makotena senchi, me di jollof near the idea, me de kria don ko Italy, me we me see yanko IMF. No thinking outside the box. What can we bring other than going to IMF? And then you bet to me I share other than say yeko IMF. Obi de 11 ba obejis kakakrano. Mujina say yem pene manemba. Easy way out. Monko IMF. Adentia because yen yeko IMF. Into most moko IMF. Ebe ya teke ATP draw into your mind. And yen ye dio. Nembum ateka. Endra we ye me ateka. Into most my ye be ateka. Na on my name mem. Na ye road unko. Na ye infrastructure lake. Na we say MPP ni ye ubi enra. Into wo so eno be nipi. Same pony the MPP no. Say when nipa de nipa ko e chire sebe nipa ko animu kra na. We ye ndis ninti. Ye no. Na mo bo bra papa nka mo ko IMF. NDC for. Mukuku kwa ye ma mo mra no. Se mo bo bra papa anka mo ko IMF ana. Okay, no my baby now. We manage the economy with how the hell are you in IMF and you tell me say you manage the economy with your own funds that they receive in one more kind of on the Kofi Adoma interview, just say the man can lie and me names and the handless no almost said that as soon as video say on said that yet thorough checking who say okay information I'm in crowd for the mamino and you correct you. A Kufuor to coca 10,000 and something kilometers. And this for the original so I know a dispute and say, yes, say road minister Ababeka constructed road to Ghana, nay 4,000 pay. Now Sabi road now moments you be who call and I know so ya and a road. Yan can't home. Asphalt overlays are ya to Ghana babyano. Yan fan can you road one. Just say anything to like diabolic. Yempe kwine bia. You be confused Ghana for no monte the echo so I say, oh Ghana for the oh him somebody and Jebiano may lose a yinya. Charlie, Mommy Yanya wise. Eriko Poku as the agric minister. Na penso. What the banchi chef for man na shit. Embo. Ebro no be dua na nkrantie betwa. Banchi na nkrantie twa. Koko ana kate se Matias so. and then Eriko Poku to minya guts. Ebejina parliament, every Kufuado or trophy. Eriko Poku, let me see something and let me say something to you. Say, well, one thing I have come to realize, let's say a ban management of a country, NDC, Monkango. Say, ban say, young cotton kwasianyum and kwaje marks there, and the whole world, me the mamo. Say, ban say, young koye to trasem, young Kwanian fans was young we are want to say Coco, and to 3 yendi ebeko. Young Jimmy, Valanda Boys, December 31st for Azoka Boys, yeah. Rambo United, yeah, we are here every day. Yes, all we need is food. Yes, you better dear me. Swap box, no. Let me tell you something. Ghana at this particular moment, no, it is moving at a dimension where your old archaic, and I say your old ways of doing things, no, and yet you may be Ghana. Okay? I remember quite clearly. Me yeah, bird flu sada no issue I say. And I make say, Hanabisu echo 6 million. Sada no, nan crofo jira we nya no kre, and you could evidence na the buyer chairman through ye. Eriko Poku de no so, we are going to do the same thing. Share my mentra there. So Coco, they be a Ghana for sorry, yes, Coco. Yo, and Eriko Poku. Okay. Coco e Ghana ebenya yarea as a Greek minister. When to me a man a technical man who anye research who a Greek sa Coco no yare ko ana ha Coco no. Enu nti kwiani bia wo Coco growing areas mo am nananom wo Coco no bedi me adanse 2014 2015 ye Coco e Ghana ebe she dwerebe. Price ya na sebe ye kuafo je ebe sey afi yan fast forward to Akufo-Addo aban me kai pa unless NDC nibi can prove something different. It was Nana Akufo-Addo apen so and na ye ne Ivory Coast, another leading producer of cocoa, ekoye team bom and ye say ye kuafo no ansa na mo like ye tua cocoa ne kakra mom no e se ye memo certain things bi ebi ne de he and na me no ka say wo cocoa fu a na say aban no oni aban ni didwa de wo me ne say cocoa ye do ho esiesie ho epuru ni ade ni na de ma first na ni ho saa ye papa mahama de obeka kire ye ne say o ma ye cocoa atwafo no fertilizer na arehu sem e wo me ne say fertilizer ye dugu enuaba so a emenuaba nyini no ye papa mahama nko fertilizer o de ma ye kuafo no ye di kogu ye cocoa ho na ehye na esei we a fact cocoa na sebe ye nananom ni na de abedidi abesu ye so no ebedu president mahama ne Eriko Poku apenso na Ghana ye cocoa asei ehye